Right, hi, it's Keith. It's Friday. I'm in the UK, off on my travels. Next week to Hong Kong. I'm going to show you something. This is part of our UK office. Come and have a look at this. Come and have a look. Let me show you something. You'll find this interesting. Into the den. This is into Joel's den. Joel is you've seen him on some of the videos. He normally sits in the back seat. He's our IT guru. So, Joel, explain what we've got. A slight new update. Come in, bring the camera in.
We've integrated now with Philips Hue. You turn around, show this.
Come around there. Yeah.
So you'll notice on Sunsynk.net now there's an intelligent section. So here you can set up rules for different bulbs. So at the moment I've got this based on the state of charge of the battery. So I've got it if the state of charge is greater than 30, the lamp will be red. If state of charge is greater than 50, the lamp will be blue, and so on. So you can edit the rules, let me just show you.
So you can add as many rules as you want.
Yeah, so it's just a case of adding a new rule. Then you've got your state of charge, greater or less than, and the percentage. You can select which lamp, because you can obviously integrate multiple lamps.
So you can. How many lamps can you use on the system?
You can use up to 10 on one Hue bridge.
Right. And so how does it interface with that? How do I program it? If I go and buy a Hue light bulb and
all you need to do is set up the Hue bridge. So when you usually buy a Hue bridge, you'll get 2 bulbs with it.
Yeah.
So from there, all you need to do is go to Application Center.
Yeah.
I'll show you on the screen again. And then you'll see there's an option for Philips Hue here.
Right.
If we go into it, it'll take you into a login page. So the login page basically redirects you to the Philips Hue website. You'll log in with your credentials there, and then it'll automatically sync in your lamps, however many lamps you've set up. So if I wanted to bind this to my plant now, I'd click bind, select the home, confirm. Then if I go back to my intelligent device, go back to my rule, you can select which lamp you want from there.
And what the colour, what they do.
Exactly. So you can change that to lamp 2.
Oh, so you can have different lamps operating. Yeah. So if the level is say a certain percentage, one lamp can be lit up, but you can have another lamp lit up.
Exactly.
So you can do also, with this system, you can get lighting strips, can you?
Yeah, you can use lighting strips, so you can backlight certain things.
So you can backlight the inverter.
Exactly.
So the inverter could be backlit. If the battery's low, the inverter glows red, and if it's full, it glows. So you've got a light bulb in the corner here by the screen.
You can see this is the system I've got it working on at the moment. So you can see the battery percentage is currently on 72%. If I go back onto that screen over there, you can see my rule says state of charge greater than 70%, it'll show pink. And if you look at the bulb,
there's a bulb.
Pink.
It's cool.
It's really
really cool. You think about how sexy you can make the systems operate. That it's not just sexy, but it's also very useful, especially older people or people maybe with some difficulties, and suddenly they understand very clearly the state of the battery. Yeah. If you're running off grid, it'll work off grid. So if you're running off grid, if you have a problem, if you're having load shedding, you'll know straight away. You can have several of these bulbs around your house, and you know what's going on. You don't have to look at the inverter and you say, oh my God, the battery's dropping. You can see physically anywhere in the house. It's brilliant.
Another good thing as well, on the application center on the screen, you can go into intelligent device once it's set up, and you can actually, if you didn't want to use the rule, you can click on the bulb and you can control whether it's on or off. So rather than using the Philips Hue app, you can just do it straight through Sunsynk Connect.
Brilliant. So this is one of the things we're working on. We're working on lots of things. There's loads of these. Next week, have you finished checking the new software? Because we've got a massive update coming, huge update, and it'll be available.
I've checked 50% of it.
Right.
So it'll be ready for next week.
So this one is working. This is released already. So this is on the website, so you can go and buy your Philips light bulbs or whatever. And we will add other ones onto this and other systems. But it's just the start of the integration where we can start to integrate more and more into the system. So yeah, thank you for following us. Well done. At least one thing's working. I'm quite pleased. It's great. Incidentally, I meant to ask, we are looking, if people are interested in joining us at Sunsynk, we are looking for engineers, computer people, engineers, both for our Dutch office in Eindhoven, and we're looking for people in our Liverpool offices in Widnes and St Helens. So if you're sort of a technician, basically for support, electrician, if you're looking for a change, that type of people, we are recruiting. We'll train people. We'll bring up to us. So if you know anybody, please contact us. I'll put an email to send your CVs to. But yeah, bear that in mind as well. But thank you for watching. It's great. It's really, really good. So keep following us. We've got loads of things. Oh, and you'll see next week. I'm actually on a boat. I'm on a very big boat next week. Probably next week or the week after. Since I got my knee fixed, I'm going on a boat, and you'll see the Sunsynk installed on a very large boat, a couple of inverters and a whole load of batteries. You'll see how it's operating, so I'm quite looking forward to seeing that. We've got a few locations, and there's a few more things going on, but I'll keep you surprises. Keep following the channel. Please, if you're not subscribing to us, please subscribe to the channel, because we need more and more people to subscribe. Thank you for following us, and listen, Happy New Year. Have a great, great New Year. Thanks for following us.